Hey guys, it's Hannah here. I wanted to just give a life update. Oh my god, what is my hair doing? My hair looks so weird. But, new hair. I literally said that in every video that I have filmed and never posted ever since I had my hair done. So I'm sorry. But, I'm in my second semester of college. I'm seeing my girlfriend in June, and I'm seeing her graduate, and then she's coming to Georgia for a week, and we're going to Disneyland. So I've never been. If you guys have ever been to Disneyland, please give some tips and tricks, or just tell us something exciting about it. She's been, but I have not. So yeah. And I thought about doing maybe a vintage haul, because I just got some new vintage clothes from the 30s and 40s at this little shop in Cuthbert called Natalie Packard's Finery, and they are lovely people. And I also got some shoes, some vintage shoes, so I'm excited. So I've actually filmed a video at Disney World when I went in October after the hurricane, but I never edited it. And then I filmed a video when I first moved in, and then I deleted it because it wasn't like the best video. And then I filmed another video trying a snack crate, but it might be too long, so I don't know if I'll be able to do that. So let me know what you guys want to see, or what you guys want to see first, and just give me some suggestions. So yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. I really am. I just thought about giving a life update. I'm still here. I'm still alive. I'm thriving. I'm really busy. But yeah. So just make sure that you guys are subscribed and click the bell so that you're notified whenever I post my next video, because I know it's been a while, so just stay tuned because I'll be back. I promise. So yeah, bye. Have a good day. Don't know why I didn't do that, but have a good day. Love you guys.